Now dear student, how can we show that water vapor contains air? Means how can we show the presence of the water vapor in air? Means we have known that air is a mixture of different gases along with the water molecules. Now it is time to prove our air or the atmosphere contain water vapor or water molecules in the gaseous state. How can you show it? How can we show? For this experiment, you have to take a tumbler, either a glass tumbler or a steel tumbler, doesn't matter. You have to put some ice cubes in this tumbler. एक बड़ा सा ग्लास लेना है, चाहे ग्लास का ही बना हुआ चाहे स्टील का भी बना हुआ, doesn't matter. उसके अंदर means you place the ice cubes, means some ice cubes in that tumbler. Now within a few seconds you see the some droplets on its outer surface. उस ग्लास के बाहर के surface में you will see the some tiny water droplets gathering. Now it is time to know why tiny water droplets are forming on the surface of the tumbler. वो कहाँ से आया? Because tumbler contain the ice, means यहाँ पे least temperature है, means 0 degree C nearly, isn't it? Now from the air, when air strikes, because when air strike which contain the H2O gas, जब इसके बाहर हवा स्ट्राइक करता है और वो खुद हवा में क्या है? H2O गैस है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स है, वाटर वेपर है. When it strike the outer surface of the tumbler from the all four sides, then what happens? This gaseous water condenses back into the liquid due to the cooling, because इसके अंदर आइस रखे हैं और आइस के टेम्परेचर यहाँ पे 0 डिग्री सी है. मीन्स अंदर काफी टेम्परेचर लो है और इसका सरफेस का टेम्परेचर भी काफी लो हो गया है. एंड इट इज दिस टेम्परेचर इज वेरी रिक्वायर्ड सेटिस्फैक्टरी टू कन्वर्ट द water molecule present in the air into the liquid forms. So this experiment can be demonstrated or can be used to show that our air contains water vapor. Means you can write in your own words. इसको लिखना है, experiment को define करना है डिटेली अपने हिसाब से. Means इसके लिए क्या करना है? Take a tumbler and put some ice cubes in it, and within a few seconds keep on the deep observation, we will keep on seeing the many water droplets being stuck to the outer surface of the tumbler. Now that formation of the water droplets on the outer surface of the tumbler proves that our air or the atmosphere contains the water molecules. Got the point? And hence finally you can write the experiment is succeed to prove the presence of water vapor in the air. Okay, you can write in your own words. Now here two more states of the matter. Dear friends, earlier we have studied there are the three states of the matter, solid, liquid and gas, but in our book it has given two more states, namely plasma and BEC. Plasma and BEC. BEC means Bose-Einstein condensate. Now let us define plasma. Plasma is nothing else but it is a mixture of free electrons along with the ions of gases. Now naturally we might have seen in the stars and the sun glowing, there is the presence of the helium and the hydrogen gases. They keep on fusing with each other, producing the different free electrons along with the ions. As a result, that state is said to be the plasma. Neither that is the solid, liquid or the gas, rather it is plasma. Means it is having some kind of the releasement of the heat and the light energies. Now here artificially we can show in the fluorescent tubes, means mercury lamps and the neosyne bulbs. Now इसके लिए क्या करना है? इसमें fluorescent tube में, discharge tube में एक गैस लेना है. Gas means you have to take the inert gas or the inactive gas like the helium gases. Now when you take the discharge tube, right, artificially we want to make the plasma. Take the discharge tube, fill in the helium gas. Helium gas is inert gas, inactive gas. Now when you supply the electricity and the pressure is low here, then when electricity passes through this helium, then helium gases ionizes. मतलब ये helium का ion बन जाता है and striking the lamps, producing the light. Now this is the example of the plasma which can be demonstrated artificially on the earth. Next, neocyan bulbs. You might have seen in the advertisement. बड़े बड़े बल्ब के बारे में बहुत बड़ा बड़ा आपको वहाँ पे neocyan bulbs एडवर्टीजमेंट लगाया जाता है. तो वहाँ पे neon gas is inert gases. It is put inside and electricity is passed through it. As a result, due to the plasma, that start to glow. So this is all about the plasma. Now let us discuss what is BEC.